So here I've taken almonds and I soaked them for 12 hours, and the almonds look swollen up like this and the color changes. You can soak this almonds in either water or rose water actually, but over here even I have used water, so you can use water. And now we'll have to peel its skin. So now I've peeled them and they look out like this, and here are the peels which I got. So here I've taken up the almonds, and now with this almonds I'm going to add some rose water, and you need to add very little so that it becomes a good fine paste. Yeah, so much is enough. So I've taken over here almonds and I have added some rose water so that the rose water can just get immersed. You have to add only that much of rose. So here are the almonds, and I just put some rose water in here, and the rose water looks like this. This is the color of the rose water. Now we'll make it into a good paste. So now we are just making it into a good paste. So looks like we need little more rose water. So I'm just going to add 1 or 2 drops more. That's more than enough. So now we are pouring it into a nice vessel and we are straining it. Whatever the liquid is coming down, that is the main ingredient. So we are going to just strain it and pull out all its liquid because it has good rose water. So here is the liquid which came out from that after making its paste. So now we need to just add 1 cap of almond oil, and over here I've taken a very good almond oil. I'll just mix up this almond oil with this. Now we'll add 2 or 3 drops of vitamin E oil. 1, 2, that's more than enough. So I'm taking aloe vera gel over here. You can take any gel, whichever you have from aloe vera, and it's very good. You need to add like half the spoon. That's more than enough. So now you'll keep stirring it well and keep mixing it well so that it turns into a nice gel. It takes like 2 or 3 minutes just to whip it well. So it's mixed so well and it's become a nice creamy texture. So now this you can store it for 4 or 5 days, and you can use it every morning and night, and it will not, it will be sufficient for 4 or 5 days. And this pulp which you have, the almond which you grinded and you just got it as a good mix, you can use this as a scrub and use it on your face, which I'm going to show you in 2 minutes. So this is all the thing I'm left out with this almonds, and you don't have to waste this almonds at all and just thrash it. You can always use this as a scrub on your face, and it has already been a week since I scrubbed my face, so I'm going to utilize this and use it well. So it's a very good thing on the face if you have not scrubbed your face, and every week you have to scrub your face to get good results of your face, so that all the acne marks, all the acne marks and everything can come out, all the tan and all will be gone. So you have to really take care of your skin and be gentle on your skin with this on your face. So let me just scrub and I'll come and let you know what were my results on my face. So I've scrubbed my face well, and now I'll just leave it over here like this and leave it for 10 minutes and then rinse off my face. I'm feeling so fresh, and you can smell the rose water which we had put, and we already have put almond oil into it, and all the goodness of almond oil also is very good in nourishing your skin. And almonds, eating almonds and putting almond oil and rose water all will remove all the impurities of the skin. So you just need to keep scrubbing, and there's so much of liquid of almond milk which you get it naturally, so it's so good. I'll tell you its benefits right now. So this is how my face looks after I've scrubbed my face well, and I haven't used soap from past yesterday, so I still feel that the scrub has done such a good job, and my skin feels so clean and So fresh I'm feeling. Actually, I can feel the softness of the skin, because almonds are really very good for your skin, hair, hands and all. Now coming to this cream which we made, this is the cream which we'll just take it, and I already have so much of cream from past several days, so I'll just dab this cream on my face. So this cream should last you like 4 or 5 days, because I didn't make much because I already have this. So I'm just going to rub this on my face and show you its good shine on my face. Just see the shine. Can you see the shine? It's so nice, and aloe vera is there, almond oil is there, and vitamin E is there, and all this is very good for your skin and it nourishes your skin. So this cream will last me again for 4 or 5 days, and I apply this cream early in the morning and before I go to bed. So this is really very beneficial, and I love the skin, and I tell my children also to use this on their hands and face and their whole body. And this cream lasts like, you can actually make it more and make it go into the fridge, and you have to cover it with a nice air lid, and the skin will become so soft, and this can be used by male and female both, so it's so beneficial. Just see, I can feel that shine. I have not put any other thing, and in front of you only I did everything, and see the shine. Just see the shine. I feel the skin becomes so radiant and nice. So you can leave this cream outside for 10 or 15 days, 15 days actually. And if you have made it so much, you can even store it up to a month in the refrigerator. This cream is very good if you want to lighten up your skin, and if you want to get a nice glow on your face. This cream is the most best remedy which I can say, and it gives a good glow on your face, as you can already see on my face. This cream is very good if you have a dull, dry skin, and it is a skin toner which will tone up your skin to an even tone. This cream will help you in removing the suntan, whatever marks you have on your skin, especially on your face, and it will remove all the suntan, all the acne. There won't be pimples on your skin, and your skin will feel so fresh and light, as if it is so light, and as you feel after coming back from a nice facial done from a salon. This cream, no, if you use it regularly and make it regularly and use it regularly, it will take away all your sagging skin. There won't be wrinkles on your skin, and a 40 or 50-year-old woman will look like just like a 20 or 25-year-old woman. So you really need to start this young, and in 10 days, in 7 days, you'll see, wow, I feel my skin is so good. And you'll say that I would like to make this cream by my own self. Only you have to spend a little money on buying almonds, and everybody loves to eat almonds, so everybody will have almonds, and vitamin E everybody will have again in their house, and it doesn't cost much. If you buy one bottle, it will last you for 1 year. So that is very good. So, and aloe vera gel, everybody knows, if the skin burns or anything, just apply aloe vera. It will just within a day you'll feel very good. So almond oil is again people will have in their house because they want to put on their hair and all. So you just spend like $5 or $7 and you'll get a glow of going to a salon, which will cost you like $400 or $500. So it's really very, very useful. So this cream is so effective and it is so nice that I'll show you again that you can apply it all over your hands and all also. Just see the difference. So just put on your hands and legs also. You'll feel very good. So you have seen now that I've used it on my face. I have used it on my hands and I feel so good. I always try to see that I use natural products and all homemade things. I don't believe in outside creams and all much, but I also use outside creams. But this is the best which you can make at home, and you know how you have done it and you know the process of it. So it's very, very good actually. So believe in me and use this. and it smells so good. So you can never go wrong with the homemade products. Now this will get finished by tomorrow itself in my house. So I always, after shower, I use this. After going to bed, I use this. So this is really very, very useful for me. So I hope you like this, and if you have liked it, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.